So today, after we have our yellow and our red hands done, what we're going to work on is making our last hand blue. So we should have our three primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. And when we are done with that, then we are going to start working on creating our background color. Now our background color is just going to be any secondary color of your choice. So when I'm done painting my blue hand, we're going to get to choose a background. So again, I'm going nice and slow, filling in all those spaces. Again, trying my best to stay in those lines. It's okay if you don't stay in the lines, but we just want to try really hard to stay in those lines. And again, once your paint's starting to run out, it's not painting as well, you need to get a little bit of water, a little bit of paint, and then it will start painting again for you. So go ahead, we'll get that finished up, and then we're going to choose our background color next. So what I want to do for my background color, we are going to choose a secondary color. Now a secondary color, again, if you remember, a secondary color is just mixing any of my primary colors together. So one color I could use for a secondary color, if I mix yellow and red, I could use orange in my background. Or again, these two colors mixed together would make purple. So I could do purple in my background. Or if I did yellow and blue, remember that makes green, so I could do green in my background. So I'm going to choose one of my secondary colors, and that's what your background space is going to be. So my background right now is any space that is still white. That is my background, even those little tiny spaces in there. Now one thing that's kind of cool, and you can kind of see it on here, my red and yellow, when my hands overlapped like that, my red and yellow made an orange space right there because red and yellow make orange. Same with this space, these spaces right here where my blue and red mixed. You can see that I've got purple. And that teeny tiny spot up there, you can see a little bit of green as well because my blue plus yellow made a green. So when we're done doing all three of our hands, you're going to choose a secondary color for your background. Just one.